Here's a video I didn't thought I'd be making right at this moment. I'm like 1 hour out from my Saturday live stream. I live stream every Saturday about 7:30 a.m. Eastern time, that's US time. I'm based in Australia, so that's like 9:30 p.m. for me. But I'm just getting set up, so I'm going through doing my thing, and I jumped on over to my Earn tab to, get an updated membership list for my stream, all that sort of good stuff. And I saw this. So let me jump on over to the screen share here. Now we can see here up the top there, I saw supers and gifts in the menu, and I wasn't heading that way. I was heading towards memberships. But right next to it there, supers and gifts. I'm thinking it used to just say supers. All right. So I opened it up, and I got this at the top here. Turn on gifts on live streams. Now, I didn't know this is available in Australia. So this looks like it might be rolling out wider beyond, I think, US, Canada, and Korea got it. Canada and Korea got it earlier in March. And I'm in Australia right now, and I'm seeing this. So it says, let's get started. So, hey, why not do a tutorial on this? Let's figure it out as we go live here, like a live recording without too much cutting and chopping. But here we go. So I'm going to click getting started, and we'll see what we're going to do. Gifts requires verification. To earn gifts, you must be at least 18 years old with a verified AdSense account. I have a verified AdSense account. I've been earning AdSense off YouTube since 2018, 19, something around there. All right, let's verify. Let's see what we're going to do. I know I do have to accept terms. I know that there's a supplemental terms that we have to do. So there might be some, there's something to check in your AdSense payments account. Okay, that's good. Verify now. Provide some information about yourself to continue. Verify your identity. It's funny because I just did my verification, doing my likeness tutorial, which I'm still working on at the moment. I need to come back and record some more stuff before I start editing that. It looks like this one will be going out first. And I had to do some of this stuff. Okay, it wants to see a driver's license, passport, national residence permit. Now, I don't happen to have my driver's license on me. I need to go grab that real quick. So I'll be right back. Yeah, have my driver's license. Moving it quickly so you don't see my details. There'll be some blurring going on in the next few seconds. Interesting, it's going to want me to do this on a computer. So I think what I'm going to need to do is take pictures with my phone and have that ready to upload. Now this one is the front, and this one is the back. Edit, so next. Going to skip past that quickly because that was my name and address details. Verification. Okay, that step's done. We're done. Now, I don't know if there's anything else I need to do here in terms of actions. I think that's the action it wanted me to take. So now, if I jump back over to here, I just did the verification. Identity verification, address verification, that's all complete. There should be a new agreement that I need to addendum that's to do with accepting on platform currencies and stuff. So I probably do have to come back and maybe wait a little bit for this to actually work properly. So maybe what we'll do is we'll come back when it's actually working and record the rest of this. What's the next day from the first half of this video? We're waiting on YouTube to update itself once I've done that verification step. Okay, so we're over here on the desktop. The one new thing that they've given us is over here, ideas for you. Start earning with gifts. This wasn't here yesterday. Clicking this button will take you just to the Earn tab to set all this up. Now, I did a silly thing and I set it up without recording the screen. I was just recording me on this camera. So if we go into supers and gifts, you will now see that I have a gifts toggle on. All that happened was I had that box that was there before. I clicked enable and I stepped through. There was just a single page, which is the commerce addendum or the virtual currency addendum for YouTube, which I can show you what that looks like. And then I just ticked the box to say yes, and then submitted it, and then everything was enabled. Gifts for vertical live stream is now turned on right here. So let me show you that addendum. And here it is, the virtual items module. Let's view that agreement. This is the actual agreement. This is literally the screen I was showing. You can see you can read through all this. I didn't read it on screen. I'm not going to do it now either. And every time you vertical live stream, this is what it is for people to buy the jewels, spend it on gifts on your streams, and then you earn rubies, which can be traded for money. Now, at the bottom of this, there was a I agree checkbox, and then I submitted it. And that's all we did, and then it was enabled. It like did some things for like 10, 15 seconds, and then it was all enabled on my channel. Bingo bongo. So that is the process. And now when I live stream a vertical live stream, that is actually going to give me the ability to receive gifts during live stream. All right, if you have any questions about jewels and gifts, let me know in the comments. This is Doug, and I'll catch you later.